Today I'm going to show you 5 great deals for smart home devices for Father's Day. Let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome to Tech with Brett, where I help tech work for you. So if you are on the hunt for some great Father's Day deals, this is the video for you. So first, let's talk about this little setup I have right here. So if in your home you have a Philips Hue bridge, it looks like this, and you have Philips Hue light bulbs like this, and you have a piece of tape over your light switch like this, I have the device for you. So this is the Aurora Smart Switch Dimmer. So this allows you to easily control your Philips Hue light bulbs just by turning the dial. So here I can easily change the brightness. There it goes dim, and there I can turn it back up, or I can turn the light bulb on and off, all from this device. So it's a Friends of Hue device, and it is able to take over your light switch. So instead of putting a piece of tape there, it still lets you control the Philips Hue from the light switch without needing that tape. And it's really one of the best devices that I've had with my Philips Hue. So typically this costs $39.95, and right now it's 25% off at $29.95. I will leave a link to it in the description below. Next up, we have the new Flic Hub. So typically this costs $195 for this kit, but right now you can get it for $136. So it comes with the hub and 3 Flic buttons. So Flic allows you to easily connect to a bunch of different services, like if you have any Google devices, or if you have Philips Hue, or LifeX, or Harmony, Wemo. Those are all the devices that I use it with, and it allows you to add a button to control those devices. So right now, if I press this button, it's actually going to turn off my LifeX bulbs back here. And if I press it again, it's going to turn those back on. Now I've set it up where I can double press and it will turn off this bulb right here. So it can turn off the Philips Hue light bulb, double press again, it's gonna turn that back on. And then I also have the option to hold this down, and it can play and pause music that is playing here on my Google Nest device. So if you have a Google speaker or even a Chromecast, you can have it play and pause. So we've been using this around the house, and it's really nice to just add a button somewhere instead of having to get up and go and turn off the light switch, or maybe you have a lamp just sitting there that you want to turn off. The Flic buttons have been really great for that. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Next up, we have the Wyze Smart Home Starter Kit. So if you haven't heard of Wyze, they're the ones that introduced this very affordable, really smart camera, and it's already on its 2nd version, and it can really do so much for its cost, which is about $20. So with the Wyze Starter Kit, it usually costs $99, but right now you can get it for $79, and it comes with a Wyze camera. It comes with what's called Wyze Sense that has a motion sensor, as well as 2 door sensors. And then it comes with 3 Wyze smart bulbs, as well as 2 Wyze smart switches. So this allows you to turn on and off lamps or certain things that aren't light bulb or are just powered with a plug. So all of that for $79 is really a great deal. And I have a quick video on one of the ways in which we use the Wyze setup in my dad's storage room so that they're all automated and work together. So let me show you one of the cool things you can do with the Wyze automation kit. There are so many options available with those devices. So in this room, we have a Wyze camera, we have a Wyze light bulb, and we have the Wyze motion sensor, and those can all work together. So we have a storage room right here, and whenever we open it up, it automatically turns on the Wyze light bulb because of the motion sensor. So I open the door, and there the light turns on. Now this is a food storage room, and so this is actually my dad's, and I set up the Wyze camera in here. So that if he ever wants to see if they ran out of an item, he can easily turn on the light, open the Wyze Cam, and then he can see what's in here. And then the other cool thing is when you leave, the light automatically turns off because of the automations that are set up. Now I actually have this set up all working off one light bulb. You can't really see that, but the plug is plugged in there into the light bulb, and then we have the light bulb plugged in. So we have made it so that you can't access the light switch, so that the light is always available. And then down here, you can see that we have the Wyze motion sensor. So whenever we open the door, this detects us, and if it doesn't detect anything for about 40 seconds, that's when it turns the light off. So that is how you can use the Wyze starter kit to automate in your home. And because the starter kit has so many other items, there's just tons of things that you can do with it. So now let me show you the light turning off after the motion hasn't detected anything for 40 seconds. And there the light turned off. Now the Wyze devices are compatible with Google Assistant as well as Amazon Assistant, and there's just so many other automations you can set up. So it's really great that they have all of the devices in one package. You don't have to go hunt around for a bunch of different products. Everything is just all in one, and it's a really great deal. Over the weekend, I showed off my new smart sprinkler system by Rachio. So there is a great deal on Rachio products right now. You can get the Rachio 3 for $40 off. Typically it's $229, but right now you can get it for $189. And that is an 8-zone model. You can also get the 16-zone model, which is typically $279, but right now it's $239. But if you are looking to save a little bit of money, they also have the Rachio 3 E available for $129. Usually it's $149. So let me talk about the difference between those two. So the Rachio 3E, it doesn't have compatibility with HomeKit. It doesn't have a 5 gigahertz network, so you would need to make sure that it's able to be closer to your Wi-Fi router. And the third one is it doesn't have as smart of weather intelligence. So if you want those features, you do need to go with the main Rachio 3. But if you have less than 8 zones and you don't need HomeKit or that other support, you can definitely go with the Rachio 3E and save yourself a few. Now, using the Rachio 3, I love this product. It's so nice that I can easily go into my phone, turn on and off the sprinklers. It's really great if I have a bunch of sprinklers to fix in my yard. You don't have to keep walking back and forth to the controller to turn them on and off. You can do it all with your smartphone. Now they're also compatible with your other assistants. So Google Assistant, Amazon Assistant, you can easily turn them on and off by voice. And it just makes it really fun to have a sprinkler system. And then one of my favorite parts was the yard map, where I was able to plot all of my different zones, as well as the different sprinklers in each zone. So I now know more about my sprinkler system than I ever did before, and it automatically will skip watering if it rains. You don't have to do anything. So it's really cool to have such a smart watering system now in my house. If you're interested in those, I'll leave both of the products in the description below. Now, looking for number 5, I wanted to find a really great deal. So I went to Google's website, and right now they have the Nest Hub Max for $30 off. So you can get it for $199 instead of its typical $229. And that's really a great device that will allow you to do video chats. You can play music, you can watch videos on it, except Netflix, but you can watch pretty much everything else on there. And it's just really a great overall device. But as I was looking for more deals, right now Walmart has an exclusive deal on its Google Home Mini and its Chromecast 3rd generation combo. So typically this is about $64, but right now you can get those two devices for $13. So your area, it might be different. I'm pretty sure they're clearancing out these devices, but if you need another Google Home Mini around your house, so this is the 1st generation of that product, and you need a new Chromecast, definitely check out that. Right now you can get both of those for $13, which is just amazing. And I've done a ton of videos on how you can use the Google Home Mini and your Chromecast device together, so you can control Netflix on your TV, you can control Hulu, Sling TV, just so many things that you can do with those two devices. So if you're looking for a great deal, you better jump on that right now. Again, $13 for a Google Home Mini and a new Chromecast. So there you go. Those are my top Father's Day deals. If you have any further questions about these, please let me know in the comments below. And to get the deals, I will leave a link to each of these in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.